Hi, friends. For today's episode, we are going to learn different phrases that are related to food and drinks. If you're ready, let's get started. Gigutom nako. Gigutom nako means I'm hungry. Gigutom nako, I'm hungry. Giuhaw. Giuhaw nako. Giuhaw nako means I'm thirsty. Giuhaw nako means I'm thirsty. Busog nako. Busog nako means I'm full. Busog nako. Busog nako means I'm full. Mga unata. Mga unata means let's eat. Mga unata, let's eat. Mga unata means let's eat. Gusto pa ka? Gusto pa ka means do you want more? Gusto pa ka? Gusto pa ka means do you want some more? Dili na, busog nako means no thank you, I'm full. Dili na, busog nako means no thank you, I'm full. Lami ni. Lami ni means this is tasty. Lami ni means this is tasty or this is delicious. And that's all for today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!